So as part of our 5 kVA solar pride package, we're going to be installing a 5 kVA inverter and a 5 kilowatt battery. I want to show you the items that we have on site. So this is our inverter we're going to be using today. This is a Felicity 5 kVA 48 volts inverter. While this is our battery, we're going to be using lithium battery 5 kilowatt, that's 51.2 volts. Both of them are Felicity products. Another set of important things on site is our breaker set. So in here we have a cocktail of breakers. We have our DC SPD, we have our AC SPD, DC breaker, AC volt and amp protector, and then our AC breaker. Very important. Another important item that we're going to be using today is our automatic transfer switch. We're going to be using it to be doing a simple automation on the system to ensure that power switches as the client wants. So these are the major items. Every other thing is here on site. And then for this installation, we've chosen this area for our installation. So we're going to be mounting the inverter and battery here. So we'll walk you through the process and show you the result at the end of this installation. Stay tuned.